Namaskara. In this video, let us learn about decimal numbers, how to teach the children and how the children learn it. Let us see. Decimal numbers are ideally taught in grade 4 and 5. These are the NCERT topics for grade 4 and 5 are as follows. Children can learn the decimal system or decimal numbers. That is, if they know the decimal system, they can learn decimal numbers. Why is it difficult? Decimal numbers are difficult because not knowing decimal system or not liking the decimal system. That is, we are able to create huge numbers using decimal system. They may not get that thought, they may not get that idea. This is the first problem. If they learn the decimal numbers well, later they can learn the percentile, how much in 100, and use of decimals in science experiments. There are many such uses in daily life. Let us see all that. When we have to teach decimal numbers to children, what framework can we use? When one object is equally divided into 10 parts, one whole item, when it is divided into equal parts, when one full object is divided into 10 equal parts, the parts that we get, this is called a decimal system or number. This is the first point. If I don't explain it, they find it difficult to understand. Secondly, to talk about the decimal system, there is a language. Children may not know that language. While giving an answer, when we give a decimal problem, after solving the problem, how to answer it, what words do they use, that is very important. Thirdly, clubbing groups of 10 or understanding decimal system. That is, I learnt decimal system by clubbing groups of 10, but if I go on dividing a group of 10, if I make pieces of 10, what if I divide a single unit into 10 pieces? This 10, this group of 10 needs to be understood very well. Only then they can understand decimal system well. Let us see how to achieve it. Lastly, when we talk about decimal system in terms of money, the language used will be different. That is, when we use decimal numbers in science or any other area, the language, vocabulary used would be different.